In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple circles on Life360 app 2026. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Life360 app. Once it finishes loading, you'll land on the main screen where you normally see the map and your current circle. Give it a second to fully load so everything shows up properly. Now at the very top of the screen, you'll see the name of your current circle with a small drop down arrow next to it. Go ahead and tap on that drop down. This opens up a list of all the circles you're already part of, and it's also where you can create a brand new one. Once that list is open, look for the option that says create a circle and tap on it. As soon as you do that, Life360 will prompt you to name your new circle. This is where you can label it however you want, maybe something like family, friends, work, or anything that makes sense for how you plan to use it. Go ahead and type in the name of the circle using your keyboard. Take your time here and make sure it's spelled the way you want, since this name will show at the top whenever you switch between circles. Once you're happy with the name, tap on Save. At this point, your new circle is officially created. You'll notice that Life360 automatically switches you into that new circle, and it might look a little empty at first, which is totally normal since no one else is in it yet. Now that the circle exists, the next thing you'll want to do is invite people to join it. Life360 will give you an invite code for this circle. You can share that invite code with the people you want to add, whether that's through text, messaging apps, or email, whatever's easiest for you. Once they receive the invite code and use it to join, they'll start appearing in that circle and you'll be able to see their locations, just like in your other circles. You can repeat this same process anytime you want to create another circle. Just tap the drop down at the top again, choose, create a circle, name it, save it, and send out the new invite code. Switching between your circles later is just as easy. You'll always use that same drop down at the top of the screen to toggle between them, and Life360 updates instantly when you switch. So overall, creating multiple circles is a quick and simple process. You're just opening the app, using the drop down at the top, creating a new circle, naming it, saving it, and sharing the invite code with the people you want to include. And that's it. That's how you create multiple circles on the Life360 app using your iPhone in 2026. See.